In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add connector lines in Figma design files. Whether you're new to Figma or looking to brush up on your design skills, this guide will help you seamlessly create and implement connector lines in your projects. Let's get started and dive into the step-by-step process. First, you need to head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many designers love for its versatility and efficiency. You can simply open your browser and navigate to the Figma website. If you haven't created an account yet, now is a good time to do so. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login option. Click on it. If you already have your credentials saved, logging in should be a breeze. However, if it's your first time, just enter your email and password to gain access. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This acts as the central hub for all your design projects, where you can easily access recent files and team collaborations. From here, you should navigate to the design section. This is where all the magic happens, and where we're going to get started on adding those connector lines. In the design section, you'll want to locate the shape tools. This toolset allows you to create various shapes and lines that are essential for building your design components. After clicking on Shape Tools, a drop-down menu of shapes will appear. From this menu, click on the Line option. This is where you will be able to start drawing your connector lines. With the Line tool selected, click and drag on your canvas to create a line between the elements you want to connect. This process is quite intuitive. Simply start from one point and drag it to another. Figma allows you to customize these lines as needed. You can adjust the thickness, color, and style to match your design theme. Here's a quick tip. Holding down the Shift key while drawing will help you keep your lines perfectly straight, which is particularly useful for creating cleaner and more professional looking diagrams. Also, if you make a mistake, don't worry. You can easily undo actions with a simple Ctrl+Z on your keyboard, or Command+Z if you're using a Mac. Once you've perfected your lines, take a moment to review the connections. Ensure that everything is aligned correctly and that the connections clearly represent the relationships between different elements. And there you have it, you've successfully added connector lines to your Figma design files. This simple yet powerful feature enhances your design's clarity and effectiveness. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and settings to find what works best for your project. Thanks for watching and happy designing.